In this video, you'll learn about bank accounts and connecting bank feeds in Xero. To get started, click Accounting and select Bank Accounts. Check out the helpful introduction video and link. And then close the panel when you no longer need to see it. Bank feeds in Xero automatically import transactions from your bank or financial institution, eliminating the need to import transactions manually. Go to Xero Central to see which bank feeds are available in your region. Then return to Xero to add your first bank. Xero automatically recommends popular banks based on the region you're in. If your bank doesn't show in the drop-down, start typing the name. If Xero can't find your bank, it means that there are no bank feeds available. Click Add it anyway and complete the setup. If your bank account is located in another country, click here to find it. Xero shows you a list of banks worldwide that match your search criteria. Find your bank and select it. This screen varies depending on your bank. In this example, you get to connect online. Click here and Xero sends you to the bank's website. Log in with your bank credentials and follow their process. If you're not ready to connect, click Skip. Enter an account name to identify it in Xero. Xero uses this name in reports and displays on the dashboard. Each account name must be unique. If you have different accounts with the same name, add a letter or number to distinguish them. Next, you may have to enter an account type. Note that bank feeds are not available if you choose Other. Finally, enter the account number. If you have multiple accounts at this bank, add these now. When you're done, click Continue. Once your bank account is in Xero, you can start using it in transactions. If you've skipped the bank feed step, come back and enable this at a later stage. Let's explore another method of connecting bank feeds. In this example, you need to send an application form to your bank. Start by downloading the form. Then enter your details and save it. Return to Xero and click Upload Form. Xero uploads the form, checks the image quality and reviews the information you've entered. If everything is correct, send it to your bank. Once you've completed the setup, either online or by uploading a form, bank feeds can take up to 10 business days to kick in. However, in some cases, this can happen much sooner. If you're not able to set up a bank feed, you can import your bank statements manually. Click Manage Account and select Import a Statement. Download transactions from your online banking in QIF, OFX or CSV format and import them in Xero. Or use the CSV template to create your own import file. Go to Xero Central to learn more about importing bank statements.